Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Sasha E. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, you guys, I am finally going to make an attempt at doing the boho braids on my natural hair with no extensions, no weave, and none of that, you guys. I'm just going to be using my natural hair. So if you guys recall, a few videos ago, I did do the boho twist on my natural hair, and y'all, that turned out so cute. So if you guys haven't seen that video, definitely check the iCards after you watch this one, of course, so that you guys can see how I did that style as well. So I decided to do the boho twist first just to cut back on time, because a lot of people who did the boho braids were saying it was taking them like 4, 5, 6, 11 hours to do the style, and I was running away from that. But the style is just so cute, you guys, so I felt like I had to do it. Plus a few of you guys actually requested for me to do it as well, so you know I'm gonna do it. So as far as my hair right now, you guys, I did do a full wash day today, and I did just go ahead and blow dry my hair. So this is my hair in all her glory, and what I did was I did a full wash day, and then I added the Maya Organics pomegranate and honey leave-in conditioner. This is one of my faves. And then I went in with the Argan Oil of Morocco penetrating oil for all hair types. This makes my hair super duper soft and easy to detangle. So I added those two, and then I went in with my blow dryer. So as far as the technique, you guys, for this style, as far as the back, y'all, I'm not worrying too much about the parts. Of course, I'm going to try to make sure they're not raggedy, but I'm not worried too much about the parts. But for the front, you'll see me add some shine and jam to the parts to make sure the parts are crisp in the front. And then I will be using my Eco Styler gel to define the actual pieces of hair that I'll be pulling out from the braids, okay? So let's jump right into it, you guys. So I have my comb right here, and I'm just gonna start parting. I'm just gonna start parting it. All right, y'all, so it's currently 1:14. So let's see how long this takes you, girl, to do. So I'm gonna make sure the section is detangled. And then I am not gonna add gel to all of my hair. I'm just gonna be adding it to the sections that I take out. All right, so I'm gonna pull a little piece out right here, you guys. And then I'm gonna take my gel and just slide it down. Hopefully it starts curling up soon. Okay. And then I'm gonna pull out another piece. Then I'm gonna get my gel and just slide it down the piece that I pull out. Okay. I gotta definitely get the hang of this one. The twists were so much easier, guys. Okay. Yeah, all right. All right, so I just pulled out 2 for this one. And then when I get to the end, I think I'm gonna do a finger coil. So when I did the boho twist, y'all, for most of the ends, I just let them loose. Like I would just leave them like this. But I think for this style, I'm just gonna kind of braid it all the way down. And then when I get maybe an inch before the end of the braid, just finger coil it. Yeah, I think that'll work the best. And then this one isn't curling as well as I wanted to, so I'm just gonna go back over it with a little bit of gel just to define that a little bit better. Okay, so the first one is down. And we got 1 million to go. Y'all, this is gonna take me forever to take out. Like, I already know. It's gonna take me forever. Okay, so now I'm about 1 inch away. You guys can see the ends are open, so then I'm gonna get my gel. Well, my ends are undone. And get my ends and just finger coil it. So this is how it's looking so far. What do you guys think? All right, we're gonna keep going.
아무 계획 없이 떠나볼래 다 내려놓고 괜찮을 거야 We'll be back 멀리 날아오르자 No worries 어디 가였어 어릴 적을 회상해보면 그리워져 문득 떠오르는 나 때는 말야 이렇쿵 저렇쿵 We had no idea back then When was the last time you had no worry 순수했던 내 행복을 찾아 떠나보자 인생의 신변화 Oh let it breathe Just be yourself 너를 위한 달콤한 시간 마음의 가방을 챙겨가
Alright guys, so it is now 3:04, so I've been doing it for like an hour and 50 minutes, and this is how far I've gotten. So I want to say I've completed maybe about 70% of my hair, and I have maybe about 30% to go. I think it's going well so far. What do y'all think? Y'all like the look so far? Comment down below and let me know how you guys are feeling so far. So I'm just gonna go ahead and move on to this side.
여행의 보물을 담아봐 아쉬워하며 떠날 때 돌아온다고 해 안녕 안녕 Be alright, oh yeah hey 인생의 신변화 yeah Oh let it breathe Just be yourself No
So for this one, y'all, I started off with a braid and then I just twisted it all the way down because, y'all, my hair is super fine. When I say it's not dense, it is not dense at all. So I just feel like a plait like this would just be too much of a headache to take out. So because of that, I just went ahead and twisted it. I did the same for the front right here. Like, it's just too, my hair is just too fine at the front for me to plait it. I feel like that would just be disastrous trying to take that out. So just a few, I think I did this to maybe like 3 of them so far. If it seems too fine, I just go ahead, twist it, and then for the rest of them, I do the regular braid. Like this one is thick enough, so I'm gonna plait it all the way down.
날 다시
I am back and I wanted to show you guys the final results of the boho braids on natural hair. So you guys, they turned out very nicely, you guys. I really do like them. It's a very versatile style, so I won't get very bored with it easily. So that is always a plus for me, because y'all know I be taking my hair out within like a day or two sometimes. But yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was very helpful for you guys. If you guys have any questions, be sure to leave it down below. I'm also very happy that it did not take forever to do the style. It only took me about 2 hours and 55 minutes, somewhere around those lines. So I'm very happy that this did not take me all day. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give me a thumbs up. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.